The Opportunity Party will be a significant force in the 2026 election. Based on recent polling through multiple sources as well as the media coverage, the Opportunity Party is set to comfortably achieve the 5% threshold needed to get into Parliament. This is great news for those of us who seek an overthrow of this corrupt coalition. The Opportunity Party, while they have stated that they can work with anyone, seem more likely to go with the left based on their policies and based on the fact that National and New Zealand First have ruled them out. Not to mention that if Opportunity get in regardless, then they have definitively made it a red line that Winston Peters will not be the foreign minister. All of this serves to make Opportunity Party a transformative force in our politics. If they are getting in regardless, then they will leave their mark, and this will change our political landscape for a long time to come.